do it. And I'm like fucking up on purpose.
Hey.
Wait, I'm like, do it.
Jim says not hot.
Fucking do it.
Wesley! Hi!
Where's his glasses? That's pretty cool.
Hi! Hello, Wesley! Hello, my little Cali boy! We're at Fashion Island with this cool guy. Hi, cool guy! Hi! His legs kicking right now is so funny. Are you having fun? Hi, Daddy. Hi, Uncle. He's smiling. Wesley ơi! We're at Newport Beach. Wesley ơi! Okay, let's go. Maybe this one?
Wesley!
Daddy and a father.
Okay, y'all. Wesley, where? Hey,
Oh, too much laughing.
He wanted that. That was so bad.
Way to ruin his fucking day, bro.
Dude, he literally went like this. Good job, hit on my. Hey, good.
Hey, one day I'm gonna buy you a house like that.
Yeah.
Not today, though.
David's struggling.
Wait, there's like Ocean Avenue where I'm sitting down and be with you.
Alright, lazy boys. We need to go.
Lady boys.
Lazy boys.
Oh. What?
Wait, how?
Last day. We're gonna have dinner with Jumin, Go, Tiffany, and Julong again. I think he's like wanting to talk. He's like, oh, he's trying to get his. go home, Bubba's? Yeah, he's so pretty. All right, Daddy. We out of here.
Peace.
Peace out. Hi. Banh mi thịt Hawaii. Look at that. So crispy and delicious. Yum.